game. It's a rich thing.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing today? So let's go and pluck some moringa leaf for us to use to do our moringa powder. So I'm going to show you the tree where I will be plucking my moringa from. So luckily we have the moringa tree in our compound, so I'm going to take you guys there. I'm going to plug this moringa together. So this is the seed, this is the flower, so this is the seed of the fruit of the moringa. These are the flowers, kind of beautiful. So this is the leaf, this is the moringa leaf. So you see, this is the moringa leaf, the flower, and the seed. This is in the season for the moringa to produce seed. So I'm just going to pluck little out of this moringa tree. It's a very big tree, guys, so I'm so lucky to have moringa in our compound, because moringa is very good for our health. Some people call it the miracle tree because of the plenty benefits of moringa. So I've already plucked it now. I've already remove the leaf out of the stem, so I'm just going to wash this now, because maybe some birds must have shit on it or something like that. So I'm just going to wash it, and I will leave it for a week for it to dry without putting it in the sun. So this is the tray that I'm going to be using. I have my kitchen paper on it so that it can absorb the water that I used to roast the moringa. So I'm just going to put the moringa on top of that kitchen paper, then I will leave it like this. For the next day, I'm going to remove the kitchen paper, then I will allow the moringa to dry without putting it in the sun, because this is hot season, so it's going to dry without you putting it in the sun. Try not to put it in the sun when you want to make your own moringa leaf powder at home. So to my returning subscriber, you guys are welcome. Thank you so much for coming to watch today's video. I really appreciate you guys, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your post notifications, so that anytime I post a new video, you will not be left out. So so just like so, I'm just going to leave it like this. Then when it dry, I'm going to come back to show you what I will be doing next. Okay guys, this is 1 week later. Now my moringa leaf is so dry, so you can see the color is still green because I did not put it in the sun. So I just dry it inside the house. Now it's time for me to blend this moringa to a powder. So I'm just going to blend it now. Just watch and see how I'm going to blend it. Then I will come back to show you what you will do next after blending it. So guys, I've already blended the moringa. Now I'm just going to put it in this my shifter. I'm going to filter it and get the powder out of it, the one that is not that smooth. I'm not going to throw it away, so I will show you what I will be doing with this one, the one that is not that smooth. So keep watching, and I will be back to tell you what I will be doing next. So now guys, I've already filtered the moringa. So this is the one that is smooth, the panda one. So I'm just going to keep it inside this my jug, and this is where I will be saving it. You can put it in a cool dry cupboard, so you can keep it for months and it's not going to spoil. So this is how I'm going to be saving it. I will tell you more about moringa when I started using it on my hair. For hair growth, it's so good for everything. That's why they call it the miracle tree. So the one that is not smooth, I regrind it again. So this is the panda that I got from it. So I'm just going to add it to the one I have before. Then I will just save it in a cool dry place where it can stay for months before I will consume them all. So this one that is not smooth, I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to use it to make a DIY moringa oil. So if you want to see that video, you have to subscribe. If you want to see me using this moringa different way that I will be using it on my hair, so you have to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss out on that video. It's coming soon, very soon. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you all in my next one.